Hi everyone and welcome to place by Abdullah. And as you may notice, we are situated at a 777 wing, and today, yes, I'm flying to Lahore for my little, let's just say, holiday. Alright, pushback time is about to happen. So we boarded these stairs, and yeah, looking at the wing. If you want to see the big G90, it should be somewhere. I'll try and make it happen. You can see the G90 mount. You can even see the G90 a little bit. But I don't think we're going to be able to see the G90 normally. You can see the wing. Looks a little bit tattered, but it's alright. The sun and loads of stuff. Alright. Pushback happening.
It needs to be low.
So, as we start the pushback, we have a 737 taxi over there. So I assume the 737 is going to stop for us, or is he going to turn to the next exit? Yeah, he's turning to the next exit. So this is a Turkish 777 and we are heading for Lahore from Istanbul. Oh look, a plane just took off. We don't know what plane is that, but that noise is practically music to my ears. Wow, just look at that. Look at that plane taking off. That is absolutely amazing.
Is it flight?
That was literally a Boeing airshow style takeoff. Looks like an Airbus A330 would do that, even though the Airbus A330 is quite underpowered. So we go on A330 parked over there, and sooner we should be heading for the runway. When we're going to set flaps for takeoff. But literally every plane in Istanbul is Turkish Airlines. So yeah. And we can see that beautiful flapper on, which is obviously a mixture between the flap and the aileron. And then we have the above flap and the aileron, and that beautiful wingtip, and then of course the main flap, which is famous for its crazily big deflections. Like that thing like deflects like 8 degrees on landing or something. Absolutely crazy. Oh, look at that! Wow. That was an A320 Neo. Some Neo looks like. And so it takes off into distance. But if you're taking off from there, then that's actually going to be quite fun, isn't it? Like do a big bank. So, as you can see, hydraulic stuff going on there. No step is sitting over. Don't step on that, guys. As if I'm just gonna like. Oh wow! So those are the spoiler-ons activating. Then we had the flap-on activating, and those are the huge flaps that are going down to increase the lift and the drag. I did not expect that, but that was so amazing. So how much are these going to deflect? Maybe roughly like 15 degrees or something. Oh look, we have another plane that's just took off. Istanbul is really busy actually. Looks like 737 Max. One of those NGs upgraded with the Max winglets. And then of course we have the flap round, which has just been activated like that. And then he's doing a big beautiful bank towards the stuff, the ocean. I mean, like, yeah. Look at that A30. But that just shows how quickly those spoilers can deploy in an emergency. So, oh, look at that. Now that's what you call a takeoff. Well, a really underpowered takeoff of an A330, a ghost A330, not actually a ghost plane, but any plane that's just pure white, we refer to it as a ghost plane in this channel. Is he not going to retract his gear? No, he's not going to retract his gear. I think he did, but that was quite late. Wait, I'm trying to locate it for you all to see. Oh yeah, there. Yeah, he has retracted his gear, I think. Well, this needs to be activated now. That's causing hydraulics noise. Oh, look at that. That's a Turkish 777. It's basically another identical plane to this plane. And Ruperuni. Not gonna film that, but because we're gonna do that maneuver ourselves, you see. That's what's gonna happen. So our aircraft is gonna pitch up and then it's gonna bank steeply. That's what it looks like. That looks like flight path.
This is for takeoff.
Oh, look at that A350. So he's attempting that maneuver as well. Obviously Airbus does do that quite poorly. They're not necessarily crazy flying aircraft. I think you're gonna turn the taxiway now. So yeah. This is what my window looks like. Slightly bigger than the Scared bus if you turn even Neo. Sorry if there's a little bit of Boeing bias in there, but currently it's 7:25 in Istanbul, and currently in my destination Lahore, local times is 9:25. We don't know why it's waiting. Maybe there's a plane landing, so we're waiting. Yeah, let's try and see that. So 11 minutes 37 seconds since I first started recording, and I am seriously concerned about my storage space. I think it'll be fine for up to 20 minutes. So maybe I'm gonna have to stop this video then, and what I'll later do is edit them and then merge them together. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. So as soon as I get on the runway, I'll start a video. So yeah. Alright, so at least after like 20 minutes of delay, we finally managed to get up in the air, and there's actually traffic jam behind us of aircraft. Alright, let's go. Wow, this acceleration is crazy. This is why I love the 777 so much. And you can see the flapper on. Now it goes like this. We have reached above VY, and I think we're about, I mean not VY, I mean V1, yeah. We're about to rotate, I think, about now. Right, this will be amazing. Alright. Wow. Do you see that? That is amazing. The vortex is flying right over the GE engine. That was absolutely amazing. It's flying again. Oh my, a rocket takeoff, absolutely. Alright, now it's time for the fun bank that we saw the other aircraft doing. Wow, now this is absolutely bonkers. I wish every takeoff would be like this. Now the aircraft has actually started attracting a few flaps. Alright, now it's going to bank the other way. Amazing. So now you can see it's attracting the flaps to reduce drag, mostly. Now I suppose it's like a 5 position. The flaps are still down, but to a minute degrees. That was an absolute rocket takeoff. And it's still rocketing. Wow. Yeah. And the wall beneath us, we're about to enter the cloud layer. So wow. Now that is what you call top notch, bro. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, we've still got flaps down, it looks like, but only a little bit. Now this is what you call a view. Woohoo! Yeah, right into the clouds. And then we're out. We punch a hole through the sky.
Oh, we fly into space.
This is absolutely amazing. Wow. Just wow. Plenty of other airplanes in their space around us. Well, actually they're behind us, but Istanbul is really busy.
Sayın yolcularımız, kemer ikaz ışıkları sönünceye kadar lütfen kemerinizi bağlı tutunuz ve yerinizde kalınız. Emniyetiniz için oturduğunuz sürece kemerinizi bağlı tutmanız ve başüstü dolaplarını açarken dikkatli olmanız gerektiğini hatırlatır. Teşekkür ederiz.
Dear passengers, please keep your seatbelt fastened and remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. For your own safety, we kindly remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened while you remain seated and be careful when opening the overhead bins. Thank you.
Now you can literally see it's become like a haze below us thanks to the immense thrust of a G engine. Wow, we make a spluffage. Now that's what we call spluffage. Well, that's what Ted Kingsley says, but it's basically water vapor, wing vapes. They go by many names, but it's just so cool. And of course our wing is flexing in traditional 777 manner. I mean, like 777 wings flexing even more. Ah, we're making another bank. Hooray! Wow! Whoa! I actually looked right into the sun there. I was trying to film. That is an absolute sea bank. Now this is why I love the 777 so much. This is how it became my #1 favorite aircraft. It is just legendary in every single way. Oh, so that's the lovely ocean. That is just amazing, bro. So calm. It's so high that the air pressure is just like it's 7 degrees outside. Roughly, that's how cold it is. And soon we might be entering land. By the way, I think we are. No wait. Yeah, we are about it. Because there is land near us. Still. You can still see it. So basically the flaphorn also acts as a high-speed aileron on the 777 as well. But whoever designed the 777, the people who designed the 777, they designed it well. And the pilots, of course, appear to be absolutely good.